What's up, No Man?
I don't know.
You don't know. Alright, hey guys, it's the Brick Building Kids. Today we have got a new pack of light switches we got from Amazon. They are by Gosund. They are light switches for your smart devices. This works with Google Home and with Alexa, which we do have. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to install one of these today in our back, to our back porch. We have a common situation where someone leaves this on all day long and we have no idea who does it, and we don't know it until it's too late. So these light switches, like we said, they work with Alexa. We can set up some routines with Alexa so we can make a schedule so these turn off at a certain time so they're not running all of the time. So we are going to show you how to do that and show you what's inside this box. So No Man, are you ready to get started?
Yeah.
Alright, well, here we go. Alright guys, now first we're going to see what is inside here. So, like we said, this is the 4-pack light switch set from Gosund. We got this off of Amazon. We'll include a link below. So we'll open this up. Alright, very, very nice. Alright. So you see, buddy, these come with light switches. Comes with the connectors. And if we take out this insert,
And this you could get electrocuted by the...
Yeah, if you don't follow their instructions, you could. Yep, so they come with base plates. For our application in the back, we're going to use the new base plates that they have provided. You may need to buy some other base plates if you have different configurations. Looks like they did include all of the necessary connectors.
I'm not trying to touch the wire ball because I don't want to get electrocuted.
Well, yeah, you don't want to touch these wires because they're, they're not connected to anything right now, so you won't get hurt. So,
Yes.
the first thing that's going to be a little different is these, instead of hitting the top and the bottom, you are only hitting the bottom on these. So we click on, click off, click on, click off. On Amazon, they compared it to a mouse click. So, click that to turn it off and turn it on. So what we're going to do now is we see what's inside. So we are going to make sure that the electricity is completely turned off to the circuit that we're going to be working with. So we're going to go in the basement and turn that off and meet you back here in one moment. Alright, now guys, if you're like us, you have multiple stages of security to get to your breaker box. So people don't get in there that shouldn't be in there. So alright, inside our breaker box. Okay.
If you haven't seen inside a breaker box, this is what it looks like.
Okay, so most of the stuff should be labeled. So for us, I am going to guess that it is 39 because it's the dining room and fridge. And we are gonna, actually, you know what? Let's go 36. Let's try that one. Oh, first try! Trick shot!
Let's go! Let's try!
Alright. Alright, buddy. Now, do you know what we need to do from here?
I have to take this off with this.
That's right. That's right. So this, buddy, is a Phillips head screwdriver. Okay, we need to change our bits to a flathead screwdriver. Alright, so put this in here, rotate it. Okay, one gone.
Yeah.
You want to do the next?
Yeah.
I didn't know if you wanted to do this or eat M&Ms, so wasn't too sure. Yep, you're almost there, buddy. Almost there. Yep, I think you got it. Ooh. Alright. So, and the lights are outside, right? Yeah. Alex wasn't trolling us, was he? You see it? Did you see the light outside? No. Okay, yeah, you see it. Alright. So here's what we do here. So now these have been painted over many times. So these ones are a little harder. And typically you'd want to use a drill to get these out faster.
Well, it's the easier way out to get a screwdriver because the screwdriver was right there.
That's right. It was just within a couple of feet of where we were working. So, alright. Okay.
I'm gonna get one. I'm gonna get one of each, okay?
You're gonna get one what? Oh no, we don't need one yet. Okay. All right. Now, buddy, come here. Let's take a look. All right, dude. Now, see, this is our existing light switch. Okay. So here's our black. Okay, and these are our triggers to turn it on and turn it off. So what we're gonna do is we know this guy right here, this copper one, that's our ground. So we can take that off. Okay, we'll start there. Okay, and actually guys, we're gonna pause for a moment to get some more tools. Alright guys, so we've got a couple of different tools. I got my needle nose pliers.
And I have the, what is it called?
You got wire stripper and crimper. Okay. So we're just gonna take this off. And we're just gonna take this off.
And plus we have a lot of tools, right?
Sure, we got a lot of tools.
We could not bring all of that.
No, we only need to bring a few. Okay, so this one, we're gonna remember where these are at. Okay, so this is our top wire.
And plus we would not bring a screwdriver because it would be so loud, right?
You mean our drill?
Yeah.
Yeah, our drill will be loud, that's right. Okay. Now you can see this, whoever originally installed this one had reused this one before. Because look here, buddy. You see at the bottom here? That wire is broken?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's someone had used this before and reused it. Okay, no big deal. But, okay.
We don't need that for this, right?
No. So here's what we're gonna do. So why don't you go grab one of our new light switches.
The piece or this?
That, yeah. Yep. That looks good. Okay. Alright guys, now I pulled out the instructions just to be sure that we're installing this correctly. So, as you can see here, we have the exact same setup. We've got 2 black wires and 4 whites and a ground. So we are going to follow the instructions to the T exactly. We are going to install the 2 blacks together.
We don't want to get cold.
Absolutely. We're going to install the white to the whites and the ground to the green. So let's get started, buddy. Okay. So we didn't take the last black off. So we're going to take that one off here.
Then that thing is off.
Well, the power?
No, the light switch is off.
Yeah, the light switch will be off right now. So as soon as I take this off, we can start putting the new one on. Okay. All right, perfect. Now that's off. So what we need is one pack of these.
We only have 4.
Yep, that's right. We have 4 for each light switch. Okay, so Bud, come here.
But we probably won't do all of them today.
No, I don't think so today. So here's what we're gonna do. So we're gonna go. I'm gonna take. We don't actually need those, like the wire crimpers today. So check this out. So with our needle nose,
I can put this away.
you can just put it down. You're gonna do this. Come here, buddy. Okay. So come here. Okay. The power is off, so you are fine. So take this. Okay. Now you're gonna put this. So what I like to do is I like to take these and turn them together. You guys can see that here. Okay. See, I like to turn them together and get them started. Okay. Now, what I need you to do is to put that little cover on there and turn it to the right. Okay. So stick it in there and turn it to the right. Nope, wrong way. That's the left. Turn it. Keep pushing. We're gonna keep turning. Okay. Keep turning. It's gonna get really tight. Feel it?
Yeah.
Keep going. Okay.
Until it stops?
Well, it's not going to stop. It'll keep crimping. But what we want to do is see right here, it's stuck. It's good. It's very good. Okay. Now our next one, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to take this black wire. We are going to take this black wire. And we're going to slightly turn them in together. Okay. And then you're going to do the exact same thing again.
One of these.
Yep.
What are those? Nails in here.
There's what?
Those nails in here.
They're not actually nails. They're screws, bud.
Yeah, screws.
Screws. Okay.
Screws and nails are
Screws.
all the same thing, right?
Not really. Screws and nails are very different. Whoa.
Move the camera.
Totally did. Alright, so go ahead. And go ahead and put that in there. Yep. I'll help you get it. Oh! I'll help you get it started. This one's not. Alright, go ahead. Keep turning. Okay, so see if you can pull. Alright, so we can't pull these wires off. They're good. Alright, now this next one is the ground.
It's a cool wire.
I think so too.
It's a green and yellow.
It is. Okay, so the next one is our ground. Okay.
And there's one more wire twist. Oh, I'm moving the camera.
Yeah, that's okay. You wanna go ahead and move and put this one on now?
Yeah.
Go ahead. Yep, let's go. Keep turning. Keep turning. Nope, you gotta keep turning to the right. Don't go back. There you go. Keep on going. Keep going.
Oh,
Nope.
let
Let me get it started for you.
I was just seeing if it was over. But it was.
Yep. Okay. So that's on. Alright, so we have all the black wires and the ground wire on. Okay. This one is a little snug in there. So here's what I'm gonna do. We are going to take this existing one off, and they're probably all tied up very well in there. Yeah, see, that's spun together super well. And actually, dude, here's what we're gonna do. I lied. Let's get the wire strippers. So check this out. So if we take, so we can see that these numbers here, bud, those numbers,
Okay.
they're called a gauge of wire.
Ah.
Okay, see? Okay. So this is, I'm going to say approximately a 12 gauge wire. Okay. So if I stick my wire in here like this, and I pinch it really hard and I turn it like this, look at that. What? Yeah, see, I just exposed more wire. So I'm going to do the same thing a little bit more. I want to get a little bit more of this wire. Okay. All right. So we're gonna take this and we're gonna wrap it more. See this? We're gonna wrap it more. See that, bud?
Use this. The last thing that makes them connect.
We're gonna see. I actually think we might want to get a bigger one, but go ahead and put it on there. Let's see what happens. Yep, go ahead. Yep, remember, it's fine. You're good. Just push in there. Yeah, like I said, I think it's a little small. Yeah, let's do this, buddy. We're gonna go get a bigger one because I have some bigger ones. All right, actually, buddy, we got this. So we're gonna do this. So we're gonna tie this, wrap this all the way around. Okay, now you should have no problem
Fitting this in?
Yeah, fitting this in. And we could probably actually put the old one on too. So let me try and get it started. Okay. So here we go. Alright, when I said let me get it started, I guess I just meant let me try it. Okay. Alright, so as you can see here, we have got all of it connected. Now, we're going to gently push these wires in, okay? Because we want them to keep their connection together. As we push them in, we don't want them to lose it, so slightly, gently.
I move the camera over to you.
Dude, don't move the camera over to me.
Oh, I am.
I'm just kidding. Okay. Alright. Alright, so we have pushed it all in, okay? And this is really, really snug in here too. So these are big boxes, so make sure that your gang boxes are pretty large. Now, you said there were 2 screws in here?
Yeah, 2 screws.
2 screws? Okay. So we'll put 1 screw here. Okay.
Yeah, then it's stuck. And it's stuck right there.
That bit is stuck right there. Oop. Alright, so I'm going to tighten.
We do it again.
Well, yeah, we shouldn't have to do this again, but I'm going to tighten it up here.
Keep this. It sounds like mouse clicking.
It does. It sounds like a mouse. Okay. So let's tighten this really, really quickly.
Yeah, I can make it for good videos.
Are we making what videos? And this is really funny, but guess what? Put this in upside down. Oh, it's okay. We don't need to change any of the wiring. I just, the light switch, I put it in upside down. So the Wi-Fi signal should point up, and it is pointing down. So that's easy enough. We'll just flip it like this and be good. So, alright.
It's only a little bit less that we have to do, right?
Oh, yeah.
That should not be a problem.
Nope, no problem. Okay. Guys, in just a few.
Let's put pets out in that glass.
Then we're going to try it once we finish. We're going to put the case on.
Alright guys, and we lost battery connection there for a moment. But what Noah and I are going to do is now...
I want high battery.
What?
I want high battery now.
We're high battery now? Okay, cool. So we have this on, we have this in. So we are going to go downstairs, we're going to turn the power on, and while we run downstairs, we are going to leave our camera recording so you guys can see what happens. So, let's go, Noah.
Okay. We turn the power back on, we're back.
We are back. You look outside? Is the light on?
Wait, the light, let me see. The light's on.
Is it off?
The light's on. It's off. On. off. On. Off.
Alright, sounds good.
The lights on.
The lights are on according to Noah.
Alexa from outside?
Huh?
Is it like Alexa?
Well, it will be. But what we've got to do is we've got to connect it to Alexa now. Okay? So, the connectors are very easy. They're actually not, there's no screws on the outside. They should just snap right in. So, let's see here. Oh, look at that. Snaps right on. Very cool.
Can you get out real easy?
Well, I hope not.
You can't.
Alright, so cool. So,
In case it doesn't work with Alexa right now.
alright, well, we're going to make it work with Alexa, so hang real tight. Alright guys, now I'm going to show you on my phone what we do here to get this to download. So you're going to want to first search for Gosund in your app store. Okay, we're going to get Alright, so we've got it. We're going to open it. Okay, we're going to register a new account. Alright, now I blocked out what my passwords and our email addresses. So after you put in your email address, you register your account, you get the verification code, you are going to add a device. Okay, we're going to auto scan.
But before you connect it to your account, it's just a normal light switch.
Yep.
Now let's try it.
Hold on. There we go. Alright, so it found our device. Okay, so we're going to change this to porch light, because it is our porch light. Okay, done. Okay, switch one. Log to press. Okay, and look outside now. Okay, I'm gonna press the switch. Is it on?
It's still a normal switch.
Okay, I'm pressing it on my phone. Can you tell me if the lights are on or off? Are the lights on?
Yeah, it's off.
They're off. Okay, are the lights on?
Yeah.
Okay, now they're on. Now they're off?
Yeah.
Now they're on. Cool. Okay, so that's one setup, guys. We have got our light switch, our new Gosund lighting connected to our app. Now we're going to connect it to our Alexa. Okay, so you're going to go to your Alexa app. Yeah, Alexa keeps hearing me in the background. All right, so we are going to. All right, we are going to enable skills. Okay. So let's. No, man, come here, buddy. Okay, so we're gonna search for Gosund. Okay, we've got Gosund. All right, we're going to enable its usage. Okay, we're going to link our accounts. Okay, we're We're gonna authorize Amazon or Alexa to connect. Alright, so Alexa is, okay, discover devices, Alexa. Let's discover them. Oh, well there it is. Alexa had already discovered it. Okay, power is on. Okay, we're going to create a routine. So we're going to say, so I have a lot of routines already created. I really like these routines. So okay, we're going to enter a routine name. Okay, turn off porch lights. Spelled right. Okay, turn off porch lights. Okay. Alright. Okay, this has got to be in our smart home. Okay, porch lights. Okay, we're going to turn it off.
What's on?
No, I know, but we're going to do, so in our smart home, for our porch lights, we're going to turn the power off when at sunrise. So every day. So we're going to leave all these days checked. And we're going to select our home location. I don't know why she doesn't know what our home is. Alright guys, so some of the screen recording died, so I'm going to show you what happened. So I made our new routine for the turn the porch lights off. So I named it turn porch lights off. At sunrise, Alexa will turn the porch lights off. So, but check this out. Alexa, turn porch lights on. Alexa, turn porch lights off. Alexa, turn porch lights off.
Already off.
They're already off, and it's still off. That is super cool, huh?
Yeah.
All right. So, so guys, we appreciate you watching, and if you have any questions about this, if you have any questions about this setup, let us know. It is a little windy outside, so our microphone might be getting a little messed up, but we do appreciate you guys watching, and please like and subscribe for more Brick Building Kids fun. And like I said, please let us know if you have any questions. This was actually pretty easy to set up once you started to get things going, and I think the other ones will work very well with our Alexa home setup. So, thanks again.